G'day, Rob here, City V. I've got some breaking news for you for the Unbreakable. Yes, the Unbreakable Toyota HiLux EV. How's it breaking? Well, through a leak slide, of course. But you know, Toyota, the leading edge of car tech, of course. And ready for the future, the leak, of course, was a PowerPoint slide on a blurry Instagram post at a Malaysian press event. It was a slide image of HiLux silhouettes, one diesel, one electric. It's like attractive twins. It's only one of you is giving that look that says, trust me, I'll be electrifying. So basically the rumours are, at the moment, a HiLux EV is expected to carry 1,000 kilograms payload in the back and tow up to 3,500 kilograms. It will be rear-wheel drive only at the moment, single motor, so it'd be perfect tradie companion. Well, the tradie that understands running costs and business acumen, of course, because fuel costs money, and money is profit you don't make as a tradie. Toyota has been testing their EV utes in West Australia in BHP mines for quite some time now. Because, you know, all tradie knows if the ute can survive a mine site, it can definitely survive a car park or a kid's sports run on the weekend, tax deductible, of course. So let's talk competition. The Isuzu D-Max EV, dual motor, 3,500 kilo towing, 263 kilometres of range. Yes, price, well, over 100k. Now that range, ouch, that's gotta hurt, that pricing. Oh my God. And of course we also have the LDV E-Terra 9, 102 kilowatt hour battery, 400 k's range, which is pretty decent. And a name that sounds like a Marvel villain. You know, that's actually probably a pretty serious contender. So yes, the HiLux EV is coming. It's joining a segment that's growing faster than conspiracy theories on Facebook. And if Toyota nails the price and the range with this thing, it might just be the first ute that can tow your trailer, your boat and your jet ski and occasionally take some tools for that tax deduction. 2026 seems to be the year that HiLux stops belching diesel and starts humming electrons. So welcome to the future, Toyota. It's about time. And apparently it was leaked by accident. Or was it? Thanks for watching, take care, and hopefully we'll get more information on this HiLux EV soon if Toyota has an official release and let's just know exactly what's going on. But anyway, thanks for watching, take care of yourselves. I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, bye.